Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your body. To begin, understand that comprehensive body care involves several key pillars. We'll explore how nourishing your body with proper food, staying active, and prioritizing rest are fundamental. Additionally, maintaining good personal hygiene plays a crucial role in preventing common ailments and keeping you feeling your best every single day. Fueling your body correctly is paramount for optimal function. Aim to incorporate 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables into your daily diet to get vital nutrients. Opt for lean protein sources like chicken or fish, and select whole grains over refined options for sustained energy. Remember to significantly reduce your intake of processed items and sugary beverages, and drink approximately 2 liters of water daily to stay well hydrated. Regular physical activity is vital for a strong and healthy body. Strive for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise on 5 or more days each week. This could include brisk walking or cycling. Incorporate strength training 2 to 3 times weekly to build muscle and bone density. Don't forget to stretch daily to maintain flexibility. Finding activities you genuinely enjoy, like dancing or hiking, makes staying active much easier and more consistent. Adequate rest and mental well-being are just as crucial as diet and exercise. Target 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Actively manage stress through practices such as mindfulness or spending time in nature. Cultivate strong social connections and pursue hobbies that bring you joy. Also, try to reduce screen time for at least 1 hour before bedtime to promote a more restful sleep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.